Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best air fryers on the market. From family-friendly XXL models to high-tech self-cleaning options, we've got all your needs covered. If you're interested in buying any of these air fryers, check out the links in the description below. Alright, let's dive right in. Instant Vortex 5.7. Starting off at number 5 is the Instant Vortex 5.7L. This air fryer features a 5.7L square basket, making it easy to fit more food and cook efficiently. It has a simple touchscreen with a dial, giving you control at your fingertips and alerts you when to turn your food for perfect results. Its removable tray is easy to clean, although some users note it can be tricky to handle when serving. It's a solid choice, though a bit bulky for smaller kitchens, and its roast and bake functions are best for specific foods rather than versatile baking. Typhur Dome 2 Self-Cleaning. At number 4, we have the Typhur Dome 2 Self-Cleaning. Its dome-shaped design with a wide, shallow basket ensures your food cooks evenly in a single layer. It reaches temperatures up to 232 degrees Celsius and has a quiet, brushless motor. One standout feature is its self-cleaning cycle that burns off grease, making maintenance easy. The fryer also offers 15 cooking modes, including grill, pizza, dehydrate, and bake, and you can control it via its app. Keep in mind it heats slowly and takes up a lot of counter space, but for tech-savvy users who want a safe ceramic-coated appliance, it's a great option. Philips 5000 Series XXL Connected. Coming in at number 3 is the Philips 5000 Series XXL Connected. With a 7.2L capacity, it's perfect for meals for up to 6 people. Its rapid air technology delivers crispy results with little to no oil, and it can cut up to 90% of fat compared to traditional frying. It's app compatible with NutriU and works with Alexa voice commands. Cleanup is easy thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a non-stick basket. Running at 2000 W with a temperature range from 40 to 200 degrees Celsius, it's an energy-efficient, convenient choice for healthier cooking. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Number 2 is the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Think of it as a mini countertop oven with full air frying capabilities. It includes 13 cooking functions, from toasting and baking to air frying and dehydrating, and can fit large trays, 9x13 baking pans, or even pizzas. The LCD screen with buttons and dials makes it easy to use, though some parts are not dishwasher safe, and cleaning can require effort. While its air frying may not be as crispy as dedicated basket-style fryers, it's versatile and perfect for those who want a multi-purpose appliance. Just watch out, as the top and glass door can get very hot during cooking. Ninja Foodi FlexDrawer 10.4L. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Ninja Foodi FlexDrawer 10.4L. This powerhouse features a dual zone cooking drawer, letting you cook 2 dishes at different settings at the same time or sync them for convenience. With 7 functions including air fry, max crisp, roast, bake, reheat, dehydrate, and even ferment, it's incredibly versatile. With 2470 W of power, temperatures up to 240 degrees Celsius, and the ability to cook up to 65% faster than a conventional oven while using 45% less energy, it's a real game changer. Its dishwasher-safe drawer, divider, and trays make cleanup easy, and users love its speed and power, though the divider doesn't fully isolate empty zones. If you're serious about air frying, this is the ultimate choice. And that wraps up our full review of the best air fryers on the market. Before we go, here's a quick recap of our top 5 picks. At number 5, the Instant Vortex 5.7L. Best for ease of use. Number 4, the Typhur Dome 2 Self-Cleaning, best for self-cleaning and quiet operation. Number 3, the Philips 5000 Series XXL Connected, best for healthy and family meals. Number 2, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, best for multi-purpose cooking. And our top pick, number 1, the Ninja Foodi FlexDrawer 10.4L, best overall. Whether you're looking for convenience, quiet operation, healthy cooking, versatility, or the ultimate all-in-one fryer, these are the models to consider. Don't forget to check the links in the description if you want to grab one for yourself. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and comment below which air fryer you'd love to try or if there's another one you think should make the list. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.